Fresh Air UV is the leader in indoor air quality innovation. Our products save energy and reduce maintenance costs in commercial buildings, large and small, around the world. These systems are installed in government and military facilities, hospitals, office buildings, major restaurant and hotel chains, schools and universities, casinos, cruise lines, animal care facilities, and more. Fresh Air UV systems remove 99.9% of microbial growth on cooling coils, which directly impacts air system maintenance and efficiency. Studies show a layer of mold only 0.002 inches thick can reduce cooling capacity by as much as 30% and usually requires a costly chemical-based cleaning procedure. UVC is a well-established HVAC disinfection technology. ASHRAE, USGSA, and the CDC all recognize its effectiveness. It's a fact. UVC light keeps coils clean. These products offer building owners practical and cost-effective solutions for HVAC system disinfection with the added benefit of improved indoor air quality for building occupants. UVC light sterilizes surface and airborne mold, bacteria, viruses, and allergens, creating a healthier indoor environment. And our innovative APCO systems fight unpleasant odors and toxic volatile organic compounds with advanced PCO technology. Fresh Air UV products benefit HVAC systems in three ways: surface disinfection, airborne disinfection, and odor control. The cool, dark interior of the air system is an ideal breeding ground for mold and bacteria. Microbial growth on cooling coils reduces air system efficiency and requires frequent cleaning with chemicals. UVC surface disinfection is used on HVAC coils and interior surfaces to sterilize microorganisms by destroying their DNA. This prevents them from reproducing, effectively killing them. Laboratory tests confirm that UVC irradiation can kill 90% of surface microbes within 10 minutes. After 24 hours, 99.9% are killed. Fresh Air UV lights shine continuously on coils and surrounding areas. This keeps them clean, which results in improved air system efficiency and extended longevity of the HVAC system. Airborne UVC disinfection kills germs in the air as they pass by. These systems are ideal for highly sensitive areas, such as laboratories, pharmaceutical manufacturing, and operating rooms. Because exposure time is limited, high-output UV lamps are used for this application. Hospitals often use this type of UV system to fight the spread of airborne infectious diseases. Our award-winning APCO technology is currently the best solution for odor control. It reduces airborne volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, with a unique absorptive photocatalytic oxidation process without producing harmful ozone. VOCs are everywhere. These unstable carbon-based molecules can be toxic and are the cause of nearly all odors. Common sources of VOCs are modern building materials, paints and solvents, food, trash, and animal odors. APCO technology is based on photocatalytic oxidation, or PCO. This photochemical reaction is created by shining UVC light onto a catalyst, in this case, titanium dioxide. Hydroxyl radicals created by this reaction catalyze VOCs, breaking them down into harmless water vapor and carbon dioxide. Our standard commercial systems feature 1 or 2 year Fresh Air UV hard quartz UVC lamps available in 32 or 60-inch lengths. For airborne disinfection applications, 32-inch high-output lamps are recommended. This system comes with L brackets for easy installation. Add optional mounting magnets for even simpler installation onto metal surfaces. The systems are powered by our 110 to 277 volt 50 or 60 Hz auto-switching electronic power supply. This heavy-duty ballast comes in a water-resistant NEMA enclosure and has a lifetime unlimited warranty. The standard commercial system is also available in an externally mounted panel mount configuration. Our most popular commercial product is the tubular rack system. It's designed around a customizable framework of off-the-shelf EMT conduit which serves as a support for the UV lights. The framework design, including optional mounting magnets and vertical supports, allows for multi-lamp installations, customized to fit virtually any HVAC application. It uses the same lamps and power supply as the standard system and comes with all the hardware necessary for assembling the rack except the tubing. In 2011, Fresh Air UV won the coveted AHR Innovation Award with our APCO Absorptive Photocatalytic Oxidation technology. The APCO rack system offers all the advantages of our other UVC products with the addition of APCO cells. The system produces no ozone and the carbon cells never fill up or wear out because they're kept clean by the photocatalytic process. The airborne duct system is recommended for applications where indoor air quality is critical. This system uses high-output UVC lamps to maximize the sterilization of airborne biological contaminants as they pass by. The airborne duct system can be configured perpendicular to or in line with the HVAC duct. Use it in conjunction with one of our surface disinfection systems for comprehensive coverage. The Fresh Air Mini UV and Tight Fit Kit bring the benefits of UV light disinfection to limited space applications such as mini splits, PTACs, and fan coils. They're the perfect fit for smaller air systems commonly found in hotels, dorm rooms, and condos. Fresh Air Ice UV also earned an AHR Innovation Award. It's the one and only UVC device specifically designed for ice machines. The cool, dark interior of these machines, like the interior of HVAC systems, is the ideal breeding ground for mold and bacteria. Ice UV offers around-the-clock chemical-free disinfection that keeps ice machines cleaner longer. Our products fight odors, reduce indoor air pollution, and provide chemical-free air and surface disinfection. They include Blue Tube UV, the world's most popular residential UVC light, APCO, the award-winning technology that has revolutionized in-duct PCO air purification, and Mini UV, our most recent award winner designed for mini splits and other limited space applications. Because every HVAC application is different, Fresh Air UV will provide complete technical support throughout the design and installation process to ensure that your UV light disinfection system is the right solution for you. Contact us today for more information on energy savings and maintenance benefits for your facility.